Compare Quotes is an independent company that hand selects the most reliable, professional and affordable businesses in the trade and service industries. The following business has consistently met our standards and they are a supplier we can highly recommend.
My name's Justin Fankhauser. I'm one of the owners of Toplock Locksmiths. We've been running this business together, me and Brad, my business partner, since 1999. We're a fairly big company in the northern suburbs that does a 25k radius of Melbourne. We provide a 24-hour, 7-day-a-week service covering a 25k radius of Melbourne. We do things such as lockouts, supplying fitting of deadbolts and window locks, also rekeying. We also do restricted master key systems, commercial, domestic. We just about do it all.
Hi, my name's Brad Haber, the owner of Toplock Locksmiths. Once I completed my apprenticeship successfully, I opened up my own business and here we are today running a successful business.
My name's Bryn Sutton and I own Urban Velocity. I found Top Locksmith, was searching online and it looked like a good company to deal with. The price was really good and the service was really fast. I wanted it done in a hurry and they came out here and did it pretty quickly for me, so it was really good.
At Toplock, you don't deal with a call centre, you deal with the owners and fully qualified staff. At Toplock, we have mobile terminals for EFTPOS, credit card and cash payments.
At Toplock, it's great when we go out and meet customers and make sure all their security needs are up to date. That's probably the best feeling that you get, that when you leave the job, that they're secure. I enjoy working at Toplock because I find it exciting, helping people every day.
Yeah, I'd definitely recommend Top Locksmiths because they're really quick service and they carry stock, so it's good, and they came out here in a hurry. So.
We're a fully 24-hour, 7-day-a-week business. We have our fully rostered system. We're on time, we're fully uniformed, and our staff are fully qualified. We get some great feedback from our clients. We've got some sites on the web, through local word of mouth and Google. You can check them out. We've got some fantastic reviews of our business.
For more information, you can call us on 1300 679 979 or you can look at our website at www.toplock.net.au.